The Mercedes-Benz W223 S-Class represents the seventh generation of the brand's flagship luxury sedan, and stands as a clear statement of how Mercedes defines modern comfort, technology, and automotive intelligence. Introduced in 2020 as the successor to the long-running W222, the W223 builds on decades of S-Class heritage while pushing further into digitalization, semi-autonomous driving, and passenger-focused luxury. From the outside, it is unmistakably an S-Class, yet nearly every surface, system, and interaction has been retaught for a new era. Underneath its elegant bodywork, the W223 is based on the second-generation modular rear architecture platform. This advanced structure supports a four-link front suspension and a multi-link independent rear suspension, delivering the balanced ride quality expected from Mercedes' top sedan. Air suspension comes standard across the range, constantly adapting to road conditions. At higher speeds, the system automatically lowers the car by up to 20 mm at around 160 km per hour, improving stability, aerodynamics, and overall efficiency. Compared with the previous W222 generation, the W223 grows where it matters most to luxury buyers. Rear headroom increases by 16 mm, while rear legroom expands by an impressive 41 mm, making the back seat even more suitable for chauffeur-driven use. Practicality also improves, with boot capacity rising to 550 liters. Aerodynamic efficiency is a major focus, and the W223 achieves a drag coefficient as low as 0.22, aided by careful airflow management that channels heat away from the engine, and wheel arches to smooth the underbody airflow. Visually, the design is clean and confident rather than aggressive. The proportions are classic S-Class, with a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and a broad stance. Subtle detailing replaces sharp creases, reinforcing the car's emphasis on elegance over sportiness. For the first time in a Mercedes-Benz vehicle, buyers can choose between two different external door handle designs. Standard grip handles are familiar, while optional flush-fitted handles extend electrically when the key is detected nearby, improving aerodynamics and giving the car a more futuristic appearance. Inside, the W223 marks one of the biggest leaps forward in S-Class history. The cabin is centered around the second-generation Mercedes-Benz user experience system, known as MBUX. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, while a portrait-oriented 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen dominates the center console. The OLED display features haptic feedback, making interactions feel more precise and intuitive. Over-the-air updates allow the system to evolve over time, adding features and refinements without a visit to the dealership. MBUX goes beyond simple infotainment. The system can automatically recognize different drivers, using voice profiles or fingerprint authentication, instantly adjusting seat position, climate settings, and preferences. The "Hey Mercedes" voice assistant responds to natural language commands, and can even be used by rear passengers. In a further step toward connected living, the assistant can control compatible smart home devices, turning lights or adjusting thermostats remotely. The interior also incorporates a network of cameras and sensors designed to anticipate occupant needs. Interior cameras can detect driver movements, automatically lowering rear sunblinds if the driver looks back, or switching on interior lighting when a hand reaches toward the glove box. The system can even identify when a child's seat is installed without the seat belt being buckled, adding another layer of safety awareness. Approaching tunnels or areas with poor air quality, the car can automatically close windows and recirculate cabin air. Safety and driver assistance are central to the W223's identity. The car uses up to 22 cameras and radar sensors to support adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, traffic sign recognition, and emergency braking. Advanced radar sensors can detect an imminent side impact and raise the suspension by up to 8 centimeters, redirecting crash forces toward the stronger door sills. In Germany, the W223 became one of the first production cars available with a certified SAE Level 3 semi-autonomous driving system, allowing hands-off driving in specific conditions. Optional technologies further enhance the experience. Rear axle steering can be specified with either a 4.5-degree or 10-degree turning angle at low speeds. This dramatically reduces the turning circle, making the large sedan far easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Depending on configuration, the turning radius can shrink from 13.1 meters to as little as 11.2 meters. A head-up display with augmented reality projects navigation arrows directly onto the road ahead, while advanced headlights can project warning symbols onto the pavement to alert the driver to pedestrians, roadworks, or hazards. Powertrain options for the W223 continue Mercedes-Benz tradition by offering a wide range of engines. Inline 6,